Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all how to enhance video quality on Android. Use the remini video enhancer. So you can download this remini video enhancer from Play Store. This is for free. Let's get started. So you can transfer into video games one. You can enhance your photo here. So let's enable a free trial or the light one. So to enhance your video, you need to pro version. So you can take a free trial. So the enhancement may take a while. Please don't quit the app. Reconstructing the details. So your video will be there is something wrong. If your video didn't save, you can try again, or you can change the video. So enhancing video is adding more pixels, increasing quality of your video, and also removing blur. So let's wait. Sharpening the video also. So you can find your video on your gallery here after enhancing by remini. So feel free to try enhance your video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.